Here's an app called EveryDollar, budget your money. So yeah, you can just go and install this app. Just tap get, and then you just double click to install it. And then yeah, you can just install this app. Budgeting doesn't have to be boring and tedious. Seriously, you just need a budgeting app made with you in mind. That's where EveryDollar can help. EveryDollar has helped over 10 million people learn to love budgeting by taking the stress out of planning and managing money. Create your first budget in about 10 minutes and customize categories, track spending, set up saving goals, and more. Tell your money where to go, spend matter, find and save more money. So yeah, that's the app, and then you can just tap open. And that's basically the idea. Then you can go and create your Ramsey account. You need to create, because this app is owned by Ramsey. But yeah, then you can just go and create an account.